Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros. And for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to set a single or multiple homepage in the Microsoft Edge web browser. A homepage is a web address that is opened automatically when you fire up your web browser. You can set your favorite website, blog, or search engine as your homepage, or you can set blank page 2. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on Microsoft Edge web browser. So click lang natin yan. And dito lang sa top right corner, makikita mo dito yung tatlong dots. So i-click mo lang yan. And next step ay scroll down or select mo lang dito yung settings. At dito lang sa left side menu, and kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung start home and new tab page. So i-tap mo lang yan. At dito lang sa right side ay makikita mo dito yung when Edge start, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung open this pages. So click mo lang yan. And then kung paano tayo mag-add dito ng single page. So dito sa pages at dito sa right side, makikita mo dito yung add a new page. So click mo lang yan. And add a new page, enter a URL. So for example, enter lang natin dito is google.com. And then click mo lang dito yung add. At makikita mo kaagad dito na na-add na yung single web page. And next step, kung gusto mo itong i-multiple, so dito lang sa right side ay makikita mo dito yung add a new page. So itap mo lang yan. And then enter again another URL. So for example, enter natin is yahoo.com. And click mo lang dito yung add. Ayan. So pwede tayo dito mag-add ng single web page or multiple na gagamitin natin dito as a homepage dito sa Microsoft Edge. And next step, so for example, gusto mo na itong i-delete. So dito lang sa right side, makikita mo dito yung tatlong dots. So i-click mo lang yan. And may dalawang option dito. Like edit, pwede mong i-edit ito. I-click mo lang yung pencil icon. And then makikita mo kaagad dito yung enter URL. Pwede mo itong i-edit. Or pwede mo itong i-delete. So click mo lang yung delete. Ayan, so na-delete na siya. And next step, pwede mo itong i-clear the list and set to all currently open tabs. So i-click mo lang yan. Ayan, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to set multiple home pages in Microsoft Edge. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.